We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for this. Smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and it's been pushing downwards for the last 3 days. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about what's been going on, what the data's showing, how the shorts are looking, and if the bulls have a chance here to put up a fight. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Prog. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and it wasn't just the home run of the day, but it was one of the home runs from the weekly watch list. And if you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single week and every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, ABSI, QNRX, and this is when I mentioned QNRX on the weekly watch list back on December 26th. It was all last week's and this week's opportunity. It was near 52-week lows, and I was watching for it to create a bottom and support. So let's go ahead and see how it performed on the daily opportunity and the weekly opportunity. So QNRX was sitting sideways when I mentioned it in the pre-market after pulling back big, after hitting 250 and some change. It started pushing upwards, and you could see the volatility all the way up towards the highest point of 25% plus through the bull and bear indicators on Ultimate 42 Vision and the strengths and weaknesses through 42 Vision. Now this is how it performed on the week that I mentioned it. It was sitting sideways, pulling back, had multiple runs of 5 to 15% and pulled downwards all the way to the 150s and took off to a highest point of 50% plus. So either way, there was an opportunity of 20 to 50%, guys. If you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and for the last 3 days, it's been pushing downwards since the 5th, and the highest point was 227, and since then, it's been pulling downwards. If I pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, which you can now gain access to as well, the link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets. Check it out. You can now access it as well. You could see here that Prog has been under a bear indicator on the 30-minute since the 5th at around $2.20. Now, it was trying to fight here in this area here, okay, between $2 and $2.30. It's just been fighting back and forth. It consolidated here, but it wasn't strong enough to break through $2.30 and $2.40 up here. This rejection was important because of the fact that it rejected here in the past, and when you come up here to this area, it rejected not too far from it since way up here at these 2 points, and we couldn't get past them. So those two areas were important resistance levels to see this go any further to the upside. And if not, it was going to get weaker. And if it retested the $2 mark or broke through it, this could go towards the recent lows of 180. Okay, super important to realize that right now between $2 and 180, there's still an opportunity for the bulls to try to put up a fight and bring themselves back up. But anything below $2 is very risky. This needs to break through it, hold above it, and continue pushing upwards, and negate this bear indicator and get a bull indicator as this starts to try to reverse. Now, if it continues going downwards, gets towards 180 and breaks through it, the bears are dominating and putting the pressure, guys. And not only on the 30-minute has it gotten a bear indicator. Also, if we pull up the 4-hour, you could see that it negated this bull indicator. It lasted from 197 to the highs here of 238. And here we got a bear indicator after pulling downwards and confirming at 207. Not that far from $2. And I stated it, if this went back towards $2 or broke through it, we could see some further weakness and if we pull up the 1 day, it has been under a bear indicator since way up here at $4.07. And also, I have stated these bars here need to come with strength. If they shifted back to red, that was going to be a very big sign of weakness and the bears and shorts putting pressure, guys. So on the 30-minute, 3 days consecutively to the downside, went towards $2, couldn't hold above it. There's a chance here between $1.80 and $2, but if not, if it breaks through 180 and it can't come back up and it holds true underneath this bear indicator and continues to pull down not only on the 30-minute but on the 4-hour as well, the bears are dominating. So let's go ahead and look here at the data together and see how they've been taking advantage of everything that's been going on for the last 3 days. So when we pull up the data, you can see that the short interest is still 14%. The days to cover has been going higher, but it's still pretty low, giving them that flexibility, and the dark pool short volume has gone up. If I go down here, you could see we were in the 38s, 49s, 48, 51, 56, and today it's at 56, 51 again in that range, giving that pressure of short volume going up every day. So there's more short volume than bulls, right? It goes to show that the bears are dominating, and it is correlating to how the chart is reacting. We want this number to actually go down, okay? We want this percentage to go down. That can start giving some type of relief and giving some advantage to the bulls, but also the borrow fee rate is pretty cheap, and the short shares went from 0 to several millions. We've even seen this go up to 2 million and some change, and right now it's at 1.6 million, showing the fact that the short volume ratio per day is concrete. So they're covering and then reshorting all over again, okay? We want this number to go higher, we want this number to go lower, and we want the days to cover to go as high as possible, and that the borrow fee rate isn't this cheap to make a situation of a possible squeeze to the upside if the bulls are able to trap these shorts and bears. But based off the charts, it's showing how they're using the flexibility of the days to cover. The short share volume is going up day by day, and the short share availability keeps fluctuating up and down, meaning that there's some covering happening, like in this instance right here, and then they reshort it right back down, okay? So super important to realize how much pressure the bears and bulls are putting on each other, but the shorts and bears are dominating right now the charts. Anything below $2 could lead to extreme weakness and possibly retest 180 or even possibly below it. And another thing too that I talked about in my previous video, that a short squeeze like what we saw in the past, right, from way down here when I first mentioned it in October all the way up to the point here in November, is not as likely as what we've been seeing, okay? The short squeeze is getting weaker and weaker, and especially that the short volume is a lot less than what it was before. Always remember that, but this stock is under pressure, and the bears are definitely trying to dominate and put pressure on the bulls. And if the bulls keep on selling out, they're just going to hand it right back to the bears and shorts, and they're going to dominate, bringing this down back to the 52-week lows or even new lows between 180 and 150. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. and you can receive this now as well. The 42 Vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.